Yes, what is going on, people? We are down here at the Yateley complex. I've been kindly invited by Stuart from Pro Angling Recruitment, who also runs the bookings here. I'm down here for 3 days, had a good walk around earlier and stumbled on a few fish. So I've got the kit ready. Let's get round there, get some rods out and see if we can have a few. Yes, what is going on, people, and welcome to the vlog. You join me here at the Yateley complex and we are on the Pads Lake. Now, I got down this morning, so sorry for the update because it's now evening, but I didn't do nothing through the day. So we got down here this morning and walked around, had a good walk around, stumbled on a fair few fish just out in the area that I'm fishing right now. And I managed to hook one straight away within 2 minutes, but unfortunately, it come off. So yeah, not a good start, but we are on them though. Since that sun has been going down, I've seen numerous amounts of fish now, only a matter of time. Yeah, don't expect no Corda or Fox films because this is just me on my iPhone, just doing a vlog for you lot. Keep watching and hopefully we can bag one. Yeah, I'm in.
Hey, mate.
Nice. Get in, man. First fish of the pads.
Come on. Lively.
Definitely lively, isn't it? Right, so first Yateley fish, caught on a solid bag, pink bit of corn, £29, happy days. Be sure the other side. Nice. Let's get her back. it's 12 at night, and yeah, the rod's just ripped off, and yeah, it's not big, but it is another Yateley pads fish. So yeah, I think that I'll just unhook it and put it back. But yeah, happy days. Number 2. Yes, good morning. Little morning update, and yeah, nothing's happened this morning. Just them fish last night, well yesterday, just before it got dark. A few liners not too long ago as well, about 20 minutes ago. So it tells me that they're still in the area. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna whip these rods in and give them a refresh quickly, as 10 o'clock, the lake exclusive, which I was kindly invited on, they come down today, so I haven't got the lake to myself. I didn't even mention that yesterday, but I had the lake to myself last night. Got down a day early. So yeah, come 10 o'clock, we will be picking swims in a draw, and I definitely want to be down this side, as the fish were showing mostly down this end last night. And this morning I woke up a couple of times at like 3 and 4 o'clock, and I just heard boshing straight out in front of me. So hopefully I come out good in a draw and get one of these swims. It's either this swim here or this swim over here, which controls out here and down into that bay and down to that right hand margin as well. That's where I've mostly had my fish from. That middle one and that left hand rod both had liners, and that middle rod's gone twice, and that is fishing over to one of the snags over there. You can probably see it in the corner. I'm probably about 5 foot off of that. So yeah, that is that. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna probably just whip in a couple of rods and get them refreshed out there, and then sit until 10 o'clock. I think the time's 8 o'clock, so I've got a couple of hours before I'll have to reel in to go in for the draw. So yeah, hopefully something else happens. Yes, what is going on? Just come from the car park. Yeah, I've come out last. So yeah, everyone's picked their swims, and I'm gonna stay in exactly the same swim as what I was in. And yeah, fish are out there in the middle anyway, so hopefully we get amongst them. And there's only 5 of us on now. Everyone's getting their gear out from the car park. I've packed up as well, so now I've got to unpack, sorry, get it back out there in the same swim. Let's get a couple of rods out and yeah, see what happens. Yes, the evening update. A couple of fish have come out around the lake, only small ones, but nothing for me. But I think it's just where everybody's getting their rods in now. There's 5 of us on, and it's pushed them out of that bay which I was fishing in last night, where I had the bites from. So they went out into the middle. But yeah, I'm confident. I'm definitely confident. So we'll see what happens. 3 rods are out there now, 2 on solid bags, 1 on a naked chod, as yeah, it's a bit weedy out there. And hopefully tonight or tomorrow morning I can show you a fish. Yes, what is going on? Little afternoon update. So the night brought in nothing. So yeah, I've actually found a fair few fish down here in this corner where the pads normally come up. There's quite a fair few here, so I flicked out a couple of solid bags. they're bubbling up and I can see the pads moving as well. So that is a good sign that they're still here. Maybe we might get a chance. Right, so I've probably been here for about an hour now in this corner. In the pads, they keep on moving. There's been a lot more fizzing. Don't know if you can see that now. They're proper bubbling up in there now. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it maybe another 20 minutes or so. And I've only bought these 2 rods down here. So what I need to do is I need to go back to my swim, which is about 4 doors down, which is probably at the end of the lake. It's second to last at the end of the lake, and get my gear and move around there for the last night. And hopefully we can bag another Pads Lake carp. Yes, morning update. We're all packed up anyway, and 1:30 this morning inside the pads. Solid bag's gone, and unfortunately it's come off. So a bit gutted really about that, as I would have liked another fish. But yeah, we're all packed up now, getting out of here. Until the next time, like and subscribe to the channel, because I will be doing more videos, vlogs, and yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Big ups.